Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
Film Festival by Jyoti Kunkurekar was inaugurated by the Art and Culture Minister Dayanand Mandrekar on Saturday. Santandre MLA Vishnu Suryawag was the guest of honor. 5 of her films were screened at the International Centre in Tornapaula.
म्हज्या 5 फिल्मांचो महोत्सव हांगासर जाता. म्हज्या खातीर भोव अभिमानाची गजाल. म्हज्या आयुश्यांत खुबशे आनंदाचे खीण आयला तातूंत हो एक. 5 फिल्मां जी आज मरेपर्यंत फाशी खरें म्हळ्यार 17-18 अशा ल्हान मोठ्या फिल्मांत म्हजो सहभाग आसा.
One of the famous beaches of South Goa, Kolva Beach, has no security personnel guarding the beach. Have a look at this security booth at Kolva Beach. It's unmanned and is lying in a sorry state. On the other side, have a look at the Kolva police station. The condition here is indifferent. Look at the way the important case documents and files are dumped in the veranda. Apollo Victor Hospitals inaugurated its state-of-the-art exclusive unit for chronic kidney disease patients at the hands of Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. CMD Alcon Victor Group, Victor Albuquerque, Director Operations Apollo Victor Hospitals, Varun Albuquerque.
We plan to have similar facilities in newly constructed North District Hospital and also South District Hospital, which is under construction.
Prabhu Desai Electronics in Margaon celebrated its first anniversary on Saturday. This electronic shop is known for its various popular schemes.
Currently, आमचे आता schemes आम्ही regularly असतात. So आता anniversaryची म्हणून scheme जी आम्ही announce केल्या ती 32-inch LCD चेर old TV तुम्ही घेवपाचो particular modelaचेर आणि 6000 तुमकां तेजेर off जाता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
There are a few Goan athletes who are keeping the sport of long distance running alive. Nitisha Gaonkar of Malika Arjun College in Kankon made a hat-trick of titles in this year's varsity championship. The third-year student hopes to become a long-distance coach in the near future. In the boys section, Benny Ribello took advantage of the absence of the defending champion to elevate his stance on the podium to gold from last year's silver. Have a look at these two promising athletes.
Francisco Martins is arguably one of Goa's best long-distance runners in recent times, but sadly there are a few names that come to mind after his. However, Kankon-based Nitisha Gaonkar has won the varsity cross-country 3 times around and several other marathons in the state.
My name is Nitisha Gaonkar. I am in Sri Mallikarjun College, studying in Mallikarjun College. And my sir, Savi sir, she is training me. And I am practicing 2 hours in college, and also I am practicing in home. And my sister also helped me, and my parents. Also, and the Rotary Club Panjim Brera, they are also sponsored.
So entire June, July she was practicing. August was practicing more on the routes. So she's been winning for the last 3 years, and college also has been doing well. So we'll be missing her next year. Okay. She plans? Future plans?
Future plan is I am coach.
She wants to coach, bring the next generation of Kankon up. Okay. Yeah, long distance.
Okay. Long distance.
She's participating in all the All Goa races, and she has basically won all the races. Independence Day will also be her hat-trick. Then Republic Day, then 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti race, Mali's race, all the races she has won. So this is a hat-trick year. So she wants to thank all of you all for all the publicity she got.
Benny Ribello seems like a happy-go-lucky lad, but when on course, he's as focused as any other top-class athlete. Benny was quite thrilled to win the gold at this year's varsity competition.
Benny, तुझे performance या वर्षा कहीं हल्ले compared to last time?
या वर्षा मातशें बरें जालें. प्रॅक्टीस बी मातशें चड केल्ली ह्या वर्सा. गेल्या वर्सा सेकंड येयल्लो ताका लागून मातशें ह्या वर्सा चड केली प्रॅक्टीस.
कितले प्रॅक्टीस करता?
प्रॅक्टीस सकाळची आनी सांजेर. सकाळची 2-3 वरां आनी सांजेर 3 वरां. दिसा 6 वरां. आनी
वर्सभर प्रॅक्टीस करता तूं?
वर्सभर मॉर्निंग कोना. वर्सभर इवनिंग करता. मॉर्निंग आतां मागीर बंद करता. आतां नेक्स्ट मंथसान बंद जाता. मागीर इवनिंग. आतां सदां इवनिंग.
कितें प्लॅन्स आसा तुजे फुडाराक?
प्लॅन्स सद्या अजून कांय चिंतलो ना. इतल्या बेगीन कांय चिंतला ना अजून मागीर चोया
धांवपाचें सोडटलो काय तूं चालूच दवरतलो
ना दवरतलो चालू दवरतलो
नेक्स्ट इयर तुजें टायटल तूं डिफेंड करतलो
हय तें सांगो जाय करतलो न्हू
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Ferrari.
In what were 4 minutes that blazed through in a flash, Sushil Kumar lost out on winning India's only gold at London 2012. Sushil Kumar was up against Yonemutsu of Japan in the finals, and the Japanese made quick work of the former world champ, Commonwealth gold medalist and India's flag bearer. Here are a few glimpses of Sushil's journey in the 66 kg freestyle wrestling event at the London Olympics.
Look at the legs well spread from Sahin, spreading his weight, making it difficult. The referee's hand does go in the Japan to Tasahiro Yonemitsu will have to settle for the silver.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.